Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a packing with me. It is late. I am going to New York with my sister tomorrow. It's our annual girls trip. You know, I say annual because we did it last year and we're doing it this year and it's around the same time. Sorry if I look puffy, but I'm congested. So yeah, it is what it is. I've had allergies all day long. Taking allergy medication, still not going away, so it's a little much. So I'm going to New York and we're going for 3 days. So it's gonna be 4 days in total, but 3 full days we're gonna be in New York City. It's gonna be a heat wave on Monday and the rest of the days is still gonna be quite hot. So as a minimalist now, and that like I'm like starting out my minimalist life, it's so weird not packing 50 different outfits, but then again I don't have enough clothes to do 50 different outfits. So don't mind the oversized baggy shirt. I'm literally going crazy because I thought I was going to be packing earlier this morning, but I ended up cleaning the entire house and doing the lawn and like taking care of my garden today. So right now I'm just like, well, I have to leave here at 2:30 in the morning. Our flight is at 6:30. I'm leaving because it's like 40 minutes to the airport. Sure, enough for the chit chat, and let's see what I'm gonna be putting in this suitcase. All right, let's go. Suitcase we are doing. Okay. So my suitcase of choice is the Everick suitcase, and the reason why I'm taking this one is because it turns into a backpack. And because if you've ever been to New York, you know climbing the stairs for the subway can be hell, especially with the suitcase. So turning it into a backpack makes it better for me, and I really love it. I've had it for now a year. I've invested in like a better quality suitcase this year. Well, this year. Last year or the year before. And it has this stuff. So this is the one I'm gonna go with this year. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, and my Mini Roots trusty backpack. I got this probably 10 years ago and I've never looked back. It's been a lifesaver of a bag. So it already has my Bible in here because I don't travel without it, and it has Kleenex because of my allergies, and it had, okay, one thing of Gravol just in case, you never know, Band-Aids, again, an SD card, of course. I cannot breathe. My outdoor running shoes and gonna be my gym shoes. Oh crap, I forgot work clothes. Okay. But yeah, I decided to get rid of the bigger cube, not needed, and I just used the medium cube and the small cube. And I also took out a couple pieces of workout clothes, and I wasn't gonna bring another personal item, but I think I'm gonna have to, because I'm bringing my laptop too, and I don't think it's all gonna fit here no matter how much I repack. So that's it. That's me for 4 days. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry, I'm so congested. Yeah, I hope this was helpful when you're going to be packing, and also using the Evercreek bag, and yeah, seeing how much fits inside of it. Sorry, I am like so stuffy. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.